Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another flower dip. I'm reusing my canvas today again, and I already put my measurement down where I want my paint to be to dip my canvas in to create kind of a nice flower. And I will use green earth and chrome green hue for the greens and some 24K gold and pearl white, and I have burgundy and magenta, and all my paints are mixed with glue pouring medium. I will put how I mix it in the end of my video, so stay till the end if you want to see how I mix those paints for this. And I will put white base down here for my background, and I chose those kind of spring-like looking colors because I'm really waiting for spring to come. I like spring. I'm a spring person, and I'm Pisces, so born in spring too, so I like me some spring. Okie doke. And I will add some white on my canvas too to wet it down just a little bit, just to have some paint, that the paint on the table have something to grab on, or how can I say. So today I decided that I will do kind of how can I say, kind of a flower field scene. Let's see how this will work out. Press down. canvas. Try to press and make sure that I squeeze all the air out. And today I will lift it kind of straight up, you know, to create some kind of flower filled effect, hopefully. Wow, I like it. A lot of the times I like the thing that it's on here more, so I will leave this one to dry to have it as my skin. So here she is dry. I really like it. I like how it kind of looks that it's cracked, but it's not. Maybe the colors, I don't know, I should have used some more color for the kind of blooms, or how can I say, not blooms, for the flowers. I will definitely play with this, how to achieve something that it's even more sorry, realistic like, or how can I say, but I love this anyway. And my skin is drying. I will probably do a video to show you how I will use it. So yeah, pretty happy with it. And as I said, I will definitely try this again. I will try with 2 canvases. So yeah, if you are interested in something like that, stay tuned. Probably videos will be up next week. Maybe I will do a series, different ways to do those flower dips. If you want to see how I mix my paints, it will be at the end of my video. I will say thank you for now, because I will not speak on that part with the mixing. I will write down the measurements.